Have you ever dreamed of visiting a place where history, fun, and gastronomy merge into an unforgettable journey? Welcome to Cadiz, the jewel of southern Spain, a destination that awakens the senses and captivates the soul. Picture yourself strolling through its narrow, cobbled streets, wrapped in the refreshing Mediterranean breeze. You'll find that every corner of the old town tells a story. The vibrant squares, the whitewashed facades, the flower-filled courtyards, they all offer a glimpse into the city's rich history. This is a place where time seems to stand still, where centuries-old traditions are kept alive, and where the past and the present beautifully intertwine. As you wander around, you'll feel as though you've been transported back in time, walking the same paths that many before you have tread. The old town of Cadiz, a time capsule that takes you on a journey through centuries, is just the beginning of what Cadiz has to offer. Imagine standing on the walls of a castle, witnessing centuries of maritime history and breathtaking panoramic views. This is the experience that awaits you at the imposing Castillo de San Sebastián, a silent sentinel situated on an island off the coast. As you traverse its ancient walls, you can almost hear the echoes of epic battles fought here in the past. Moving inland, we come upon another historic gem, the 16th century fortress, Castillo de Santa Catalina. Dominating the city's skyline, this castle invites you to meander through its mysterious corridors and towers. From its battlements, you'll be treated to a spectacle of the ocean, stretching out into the horizon, a sight that will leave you spellbound. These castles are more than just historic landmarks. They are portals into Cadiz's rich past, offering a glimpse into the lives and times of those who walked these same stones centuries ago. From the historic castles, you'll see the vast ocean extending as far as the eye can see, a view that will etch itself in your memory. Dive into the vibrant culture of Cadiz, where every corner has a story to tell and every dish is a culinary journey. Explore the city's museums that house everything from contemporary art to relics of the ancient Phoenician civilization. The bustling market is a sensory delight with its array of fresh produce and local delicacies. As night falls, Cadiz comes alive with the rhythm of traditional flamenco music echoing from the tablaos and the pulsating energy of the bars and nightclubs. The city's festive spirit is infectious, with popular events like the Cadiz Carnival offering a whirlwind of color, music, and joy. The gastronomy of Cadiz is a taste adventure in itself. Savor the famous fried fish or indulge in the exquisite seafood, every bite connecting you to the essence of Cadiz. In Cadiz, every experience is a celebration, a feast for the senses, and a journey through time. This is Cadiz, where the past meets the present and the fun never ends.